Hey everyone, we're back again with another unboxing. This one's going to be the GeekV Wenax U-Pod system. Available in 8 different colors, this pod system is portable and simple to offer a worry-free vaping experience. An airflow control switch and an adjustment button are located on one side of the device. This allows you to change up how much air gets let into the pod and change the amount of power sent to the pod. The Wenax U-Kit comes with a 0.7 ohm cartridge, or pod as we like to call it, and it's the perfect ohm rating for people who like a warm puff but an open draw. Lanyard is a nice little addition to this kit, and of course you get the user manual. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.